I have 2 kids here at Mulberry. My oldest son is in N2 and my younger son is in PN. When we visited, we instantly felt that this was the right place for us to put our kids. We felt that it was very nice and very inviting for the kids to learn. A lot of warm spaces within this place. We felt very at ease and we know that it will be a very enjoyable space for our kids to grow up in.
My daughter is Isabella. She is just about to turn 4, so she's in N2 now. The teachers just felt very nurturing and kind and caring. Had a real sort of family vibe, I would say. That's really what attracted me to Mulberry in the first place. Isabella is absolutely come on leaps and bounds since she's come to Mulberry. So when we were looking around, one thing that I really wanted Isabella to grow up with was to be bilingual. And Mulberry really do take that one very seriously. I can tell when we're out, she can understand what people are saying. She's also responding to people in shops that speak in Mandarin to her. It's incredible.
Since starting this school, Zachary has shown a lot of changes in terms of independence. So there's a lot of self-help skills that he's actually learned, and it's very encouraging to see that he is exhibiting a lot of growth. So one thing I really appreciate about the teachers here at Mulberry is the forthcoming and the conversations and the updates that the teachers have shared with us parents. I think it's very important, especially when you don't exactly see what's happening in school.
We have great communication with the teachers. They're always on standby when I drop her off and pick her up. There's just so much more communication. It's pretty non-stop. Every time when I hand her over to the teachers in the morning, she's smiling from ear to ear. She can't wait to come in, and it really gives you the peace of mind that she's enjoying her time here.
I think the curriculum at Mulberry Learning is very holistic. Once you step in, you know that the kids are going to be happy, you know that the teachers are happy to be here.
Yeah, so I definitely recommend Mulberry Learning to anyone who's considering putting their child into early learning.
If you're a parent looking for a preschool, I highly recommend Mulberry Learning.